So Sne, she's playing with big money here. She's playing with big money and she will regret. So Sne, are you telling me that what Mayeni is doing is not making sure? Because Mayeni is doing the same thing. But anyway, guys, before I get to the story of Sne, I just want to say, you know the rules of the house. And my name is Mseleku. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Happy Tuesday. Please, you guys, take care of yourself. Be warm and be safe this winter season. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of Sne, guys. So for those who don't know, last episode, it really got a lot of people talking after Sne reveals that he has siblings, you know, abompumelelo, abolwandle, abongwe, abompilo. They don't take her serious. I remember Sne, she's a firstborn because they are educated. But the last time I remember, it was abongwe and Mpilo. Those who are currently in university. And Pumelelo, he's busy hustling. He has his own business. We had him telling Tirelo that, you know what, you have to quit school. I'll make sure that I take care of yourself. You can study online. In 2024, studying online, they become accounting degree online. You need to stop there. Tirelo, go back to school. Trust me. So anyway, so Usne, where she went to a lunch with a friend and she was just telling a friend the things that went down. And she was just like, you know what, I don't care about my sibling because they don't care about me. So the friend mentioned something that I was like, okay, maybe this is a good thing that Usne could do and benefit, because Usne, she received an allowance from her father as well. She stayed at Matele's house, the stepmother, who did a really good job in raising Sne. Honey, she's currently also raising her granddaughter. What a great opportunity for Sne, guys. Yes, Usne went through a lot, but she does have a lot of opportunity. And this friend, guys, to have good friends is not easy. To have good friends, like Usne, she has a good friend. That is a good friend. So she mentioned that you can do an online business. You can do online business. So for those, the reason why I'm mentioning Mayeni, she's running an online clothing. She has an online business where she's selling dress, honey. So Usne was like, I don't think I can do that type of business. Like, you're already a celebrity. You can even buy your own car. You don't even have to wait for your father to give you money to buy a car. Like, you're already influencer, already a celebrity. Like, there are a lot of people that are selling stuff online. Like, we've seen that Ucinile, she's selling a makeup kit. And guys, they can make, these Mseleku's kids, they can make a lot of money. Do you think Uterelo and Vuyokas, they've been invited to this brand, you know what, this campaign, because they're just Terelo and Vuyokas, because they are part of izinganezesthembu reality show? No wonder why, guys. When you become a public figure, there's a way that you can make money online. So Usne has saying that she cannot run that business. It means that you're undermining Mayeni, because Mayeni, she's been running business. So Mayeni, she's working, she's also running the business online. Obviously, people, they're gonna buy because it is Mayeni's business. I don't know about Makumalo if she's selling something online, but one thing about selling something online, you can make money. Yes, you don't have to go to school to be smart. You don't have to go to school to be smart. You just need to understand the life. Yes, not everybody's going to be smart. Not everybody's going to be, they're going to be academically smart. Not everybody's going to go to, yes, we do understand that you don't like going to school, but you can do something, So I mean, looking at her for saying, so for undermining such a business that you don't even have to waste time. You can just order product and then people pay you and then you deliver. You don't even go door to door. You can just, I don't know how they send it. They send it via PEP or via whatever. Whatever you think it is right, whatever you enjoy, you can sell them and make a lot of money. And this is how people are making money nowadays. You don't have to be school. So, I mean, for having a friend to come out with such an idea for Sne, I think it really fit her because she really loves social media. As you can see, she likes posting, wearing nice outfit on TikTok as well as her Instagram account. So, obviously, it could influence a lot of people. She is influencer because if she will tell people and say, hey, people, I'm selling this, people can buy, guys. One thing about being a celebrity or being a public speaker, you can sell a nail polish, people, they're gonna buy. You can sell a candle, people, they're gonna buy, because you know what, they're not just buying that bread, that product, they are buying your brand. They respect you to a point where they decide to support you by buying. Guys, you can sell anything. One thing about being a public figure, you can sell anything and make money. So I was surprised by Sne, who say, yes, I do understand that your siblings, they don't like you, you say whatever, but you're also not taking accountability. You're not taking accountability. You can't blame everyone. You can't blame everyone. You understand? So she is even mentioned that they don't allow her to drive. They need 500, whatever it is. So you can make money online and take yourself to get yourself a drive license. You can do that. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. God bless you. Bye.